Hello guys, in this video we'll be trying to show you how you can express tan alpha as cos alpha. And this is a question taken from trigonometry. Now, your first method of approach is to list out the trig identity, meaning we have cosec alpha, which is equal to 1 over sine alpha. You also have tan alpha, which is given as sine alpha over cos alpha. And lastly, we have cot alpha, which is given as cos alpha over sine alpha. In the sense that tan alpha is the cos alpha is the inverse of tan alpha. Now, since we have this representation, what we will do now is to introduce the trig identity, the trigonometry identity, which is sec squared alpha minus tan squared alpha, which is equal to 1. And now we know that sec squared alpha is the same as 1 over cos alpha, we close the bracket, raised to the power of 2 minus 1 is equal to tan square alpha. Let me quickly write this here. If we collect like terms, we'll be having sec square alpha minus 1 is equal to tan square alpha. Now we continue from this place. We'll see that if we proceed, we'll have that when you square the bracket, you have 1 over cos square alpha minus 1 is equal to tan square alpha. Now, when you have that, now remember this, you can simplify this. Now, simplifying this, we'll have 1 minus cos square alpha over cos square alpha, meaning we multiply cos square alpha by 1 here, having this expression here, which this expression is equal to tan square alpha. Now, what we've been trying to do is that we've been trying to express tan as cos alpha. Now, for our final answer, we'll square root both sides. Now, square rooting both sides, will end up having tan alpha is equal to the square root of 1 minus cos square alpha all over the square root of cos square alpha. Definitely, you know that you can rule out the square of the denominator, then we'll end up having 1 minus cos square alpha all over cos alpha. Therefore, we can finally see that we've been able to express tan alpha to be equals to the square root of 1 minus cos square alpha all over cos alpha. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow students. Thank you for watching.